Have you been wanting to learn how to meditate? But every time that you think about it, you procrastinate and you convince yourself not to try? This video is for anyone that wants to learn how to meditate. And I'm gonna make it very simple. 3 easy steps for you to start implementing a meditation practice. My friends, my name is Coach Luis Soto. I am a body and mind wellness coach, and I have been meditating for the past 30 years. It is my passion, and I get excited to teach meditation for someone that wants to elevate their mind, their consciousness, and most of all, their life. So the first step that we're gonna do is I want you to find a quiet place where you will not be disturbed for the next 10 to 15 minutes. And you're gonna follow my instructions, and you get to mirror exactly what I do. So number one, find a quiet place. If you're driving, then turn off the video and then put it back on when you find a place that you will not be disturbed. Put do not disturb on your phone. Really make it sacred that this is what you're gonna be doing from now on. That's one. Number two, find a comfortable chair that is going to support your body, especially your back. I'm at a bench outside. If you're inside, whether it's your home, your office, find a chair that has a back rest so your back stays erect. We're gonna sit at attention, and we're gonna place our hands on our laps, just very relaxed. And after you get yourself situated and you're sitting down, now you're ready to start your practice. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to take time to reset and to be present to our body and our environment. So right now, I want you to close your eyes, just like me. Close your eyes. And now I just want you to just breathe. Breathe naturally. And if you have thoughts that are bombarding you now, like, I don't know what I'm doing, this feels uncomfortable, this guy's voice is annoying, just be okay with that. The practice of meditation is not to disregard our thoughts. The thoughts are gonna be coming in because that's just the makeup of our brain. Your thoughts are just like your heart is involuntary. You can't stop the heart from beating, and you can't stop your thoughts from coming in. But what you can do is not react to them. So now that you have your eyes closed, I want you to scan your environment, and we're gonna just listen to all the sounds in our environment. If you're outside, you might hear, the water, you might hear a sprinkler, you might hear a family playing in the background. If you're inside, you might hear the AC running, the fan. Maybe you hear the cars passing by outside. I want you to be present to all the sounds. And this is the first part of you pausing and allowing yourself to expand your awareness. And now that you listen to all the sounds, I want you to inhale through your nose, exhale out through your mouth, inhale through your nose, exhale out through your mouth. We do one more. Inhale through your nose, exhale out through your mouth. And I want you to open your eyes. How was that? Just that small exercise, that technique of just pausing to allow yourself to listen to the sounds in your environment, to become aware of your surroundings, and then taking a couple of breaths in and out through your mouth to now be here to a reset. That part just alone will reduce your stress, your anxiety. Anytime that you have a stressful situation, you just come back here. You sit and you just allow yourself to be. And as you allow yourself to be, life that is going 100 miles an hour comes to a standstill. And now we pause. We listen. And we reset. Reset your mindset is exactly that. We first have to sit, pause, listen, reset. That's an opportunity to get rid of the mental garbage, to not be influenced by your outer circumstances, and to give yourself permission to cleanse yourself and put everything on a clean slate. It's just pause. That's part one. Here's the second part. We're gonna do a couple of diaphragmatic breathing, which is gonna help you to regulate your nervous system. This type of breathing helps you to get out of fight and flight, which is high alert, freeze, fight, flee, or relax, renewal, reset. It's going from the sympathetic nervous system, which is your fight and flight, to your parasympathetic nervous system, which is renewal, which is relax, which is rest, which is reset. Again, I want you to mirror me, follow my lead, and let's begin. I want you to close your eyes. And I want you to put your hand on your belly and take the other hand and place it on your lap. So we're going to inhale through your nose. But as you inhale through your nose, you're going to expand your belly as much as possible. Inhale. And then when you exhale, you're going to draw your belly towards your tailbone, sucking it in, which is the opposite, right? So you're going to inhale, expand the belly, exhale, draw your belly towards your tailbone. Again, inhale, expansion, exhale, draw the belly. Again, inhale, exhale, draw the belly. Again, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale and exhale. Pause, listen, open your eyes. And just notice how you feel. When you learn how to breathe from your diaphragm, you regulate your nervous system and you get yourself out of a stressful state of mind that you feel like you have to react. And this type of breathing allows your nervous system to get out of fight and flight into renewal, rest, surrender, reset. And in moments of stress, you will learn over time through practice to respond consciously versus react. So this is 2 parts that I showed you. In the next video, we'll put it all together. But for now, this is the beginning stages for you to practice. And if you need to stop the video for part 1, do it, practice it, and then play the video and listen to part 2, then by all means do it again. This is a video for you to learn the practice of meditation and for you to give yourself that permission to pause and to reset. And lastly, down in the description, you can click the link and download my free meditation guide, which will break down what we did. So like this, you have a PDF for your personal use. So thank you again for joining in. Leave the comments down below. Make sure to watch part 2, where now we put everything together and you can now make this a regular meditation practice. I'll see you in the next video.